Then, as per the guidelines of the FSE,
tuwe na levy ya kufinance education, particularly at the lower level. Higher education tuna ile help, higher education loan board, lakini hii ingine hakuna.
With the CBC, where parents are required to buy so many items almost on a weekly basis, it looks like it's not affordable, only affordable by the rich families. And we recommend as follows: government to provide to schools all needed materials as set out in the curriculum. All the costs should go to the government.
The truth why CBC did not succeed is that a demoralized teacher is a demoralized teacher. A teacher who has not been given promotion is a demoralized teacher. A teacher who has not been deployed properly is a demoralized teacher. Even if the government did not call for these stakeholders engagement, I want to tell you, because this one is very timely, CBC ingekufa, let me tell you. Tungeua tu ikiwa hapa kwa